Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. Today I will be mounting the parts that I finished polishing yesterday. So first up is the nose panel. Both parts, both the nose panel and front bumper require some assembly before I can put it on the car. So let's get started. Here we have the nose panel, and as you can see I've already mounted the emblem, and on the inside we will have these parts. I have previously sandblasted and painted the brackets. They will need to be riveted onto the panel, and then these foam support pieces. Here we have the nose panel fully assembled. All the brackets are riveted in place, the foam support is in place, the emblem, which you already saw, is in place, and this clip is new also. And I'm missing one screw, but hopefully it will be fine. On the car I've prepared for mounting the nose panel, so the screws in here and underneath here and so on are attached, but I still have adjustability. So I want to fasten the nose panel to the bracket first and then lock in the bracket. The nose panel is mounted. Whoa! The gaps on the left hand side are not perfect, but I'll fix that at a later stage, perhaps during the winter. The gaps on the right hand side are much better. So yeah, it's starting to look like a frog again. So that's it for today's episode. Not much, but yeah, still a big piece of the puzzle is in place. And in the last episode I said it didn't feel like I did much, but when I was editing the episode I started to list all the things that I did, all the sanding stages, polishing stages and so on, and it became quite a long list. So this channel keeps me or helps me to see how much work I actually do. And that was the compressor starting, so I need to turn that off. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe and click like. I will be back tomorrow, and hopefully I can take down my Supra from the jack stands and drive it a bit. So take care, bye.